Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a heavy equipment tech, a fleet manager, or you run a repair shop, you know the biggest challenges are downtime and complexity. When a machine goes down, every minute counts, and with today's equipment, from excavators to tractors, you're dealing with incredibly sophisticated electronic systems. Finding the right diagnostic tool isn't just about convenience, it's about survival. You need something powerful, versatile, and reliable. Today, we're diving deep into a tool that has become a game changer for thousands of professionals in the field, the Jaltest off-highway diagnostic tool. Stay tuned, because this might just be the solution you've been searching for. So, what exactly is Jaltest off-highway? To put it simply, it's one of the most comprehensive OMEG's diagnostic solutions on the market for heavy equipment, agricultural machinery, and more. Think about the brands you work on every single day. We're talking John Deere, Cat, Komatsu, Volvo, Hitachi, Kubota, Case, New Holland, Doosan. The list is massive. Instead of juggling multiple OEM tools, each with its own software, its own subscription, and its own learning curve, Jaltest brings it all together into one unified, user-friendly platform. It's designed to streamline your workflow from the moment you plug into a machine. This isn't just a simple code reader. It's a complete diagnostic powerhouse built for the real world. Let's talk about what truly sets Jaltest apart, and that's its incredible coverage. The engineering team behind this tool has put in thousands of hours to support an astonishing number of models. Whether you're working on a brand new Tier 4 final engine or an older piece of equipment, chances are Jaltest has you covered. This extensive coverage means you can confidently take on jobs for a wider range of equipment, making your shop the go-to place for any off-highway repair. You're no longer turning away customers because you have the right software for their specific machine. From construction and agriculture to stationary engines and street sweepers, the versatility is unmatched. Now, reading fault codes is one thing, but actually fixing the problem is what matters. This is where Jaltest really shines. It's packed with expert-level technical information that guides you right to the solution. One of the standout features is the interactive wiring diagrams. Forget spending hours flipping through binders or trying to decipher a PDF. With Jaltest, you can click on a component in the diagram and see its location, part number, and real-time live data. You can trace wires from the ECU to the sensor, making electrical troubleshooting faster and more accurate than ever before. This feature alone can save you hours on a single job, turning a nightmare electrical issue into a manageable task. But it goes beyond just diagrams. Jaltest provides step-by-step guided diagnostics. When you pull a fault code, the software doesn't just tell you what the code means. It gives you a proven troubleshooting procedure to follow. It asks you questions, tells you what components to check, and what values you should be seeing. It's like having a master technician right there with you, walking you through the repair process. This is invaluable. Whether you're a seasoned pro who wants a quick sanity check or a newer technician learning the ropes, it helps ensure that you're not just replacing parts hoping for a fix, but you're actually diagnosing the root cause correctly the first time. On top of that, Jaltest is loaded with maintenance, procedures, and technical data. Need to perform a DPF regeneration? Calibrate an injector? Reset a service light? The tool guides you through these complex procedures with clear, on-screen instructions. You get access to crucial information like torque specs, fluid capacities, and firing orders right within the software. It's a complete repair information system integrated directly with your diagnostic tool. This synergy is what makes the workflow so efficient. You're not jumping between different programs or websites. Everything you need to diagnose and repair the vehicle is in one place. Let's quickly recap. With the Jaltest off-highway tool, you're getting a single platform with massive coverage for all the major brands. You're getting interactive wiring, diagrams, guided diagnostics, and a full suite of technical information and maintenance procedures. It's designed to reduce diagnostic time, increase accuracy, and ultimately boost your shop's efficiency and profitability. It empowers you to handle complex electronic systems with confidence. If you're serious about servicing heavy equipment, this is a tool you absolutely need to consider for your arsenal. Thanks so much for watching today's deep dive into the Jaltest off-highway system. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. and subscribe for more content on the best tools and tech in the industry. Got a question about Jaltest, or want to share your own experience? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe and keep those machines running.